It has been raining since morning and I thought let's show Nidhi some rainfall. It falls from up.
Just so you hade l'intisal della Pachamama.
If you see the main road, it's already filled with water. We are in 5th floor of DLF Garden City and not much wind here because the wind is coming from the other side. The line that you see there, that's the canal which connects one lake from the another lake, and it's already full. That is not supposed to happen, and that's supposed to carry the water from the lake in Talambur to the Buckingham Canal, but it's already full and it doesn't even look like there is a canal there. And when it comes they are going to check if water is from inside. It's 2 o'clock and the basement 2 is filling with water. The water level has gone up from the last time I came, and we need to watch for another 1 hour, and only after that I'll take my car out of the basement. Till then I'm trusting that it's not going to flood. I was here in 2015 and I believe that we have not learned any lesson from 2015, and if it rains heavily we may have to pay a heavy price. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and after all this hullabulla, this is what happened.
José Gabriel, el cóndor canqui, el gran Tupaki, es Tupac Amaro, el gran Tupac, que son mis hermanos cordilleranos.
Shelter or something like when you're stuck.
Good answer.
Ooh.
Go too far.
Haryana guy.